Hey, hi, good morning. Today I am going to explain about the study material. How is the study material, like how many books you should contain. The entire study material consists of five set of books. That means this is book number one, and this one is book number, and this is book number three, and this one is book number four, and last one is the fifth book. It is a GK study material, and it is a intelligence study material, and it is English, and it is mathematics. So the entire study material total pages is 960 pages. So it is completely customized for only for Sainik School aspirants for 6th class only. The first we are going through the mathematics study material. The entire mathematics study material consists almost 260 pages of content. So how it is going, like that means according to the syllabus, what was published in the notification, there only that chapters only covered in this study material. Each and every chapter is covered in this study material. In this study material, we designed according to the syllabus only. So now you can able, and every chapter having some MCQs also, consisting with some MCQs, exercises, and each and every chapter is explained properly, and it is well and perfect material. Like you can able to see that how it is. That means fractions, and each and every chapter, not only for this. And when we go the entire last page, that means after 152, that means likely to 150 pages, we will it will contain 100 daily tests like this. You can see it will contain 100 daily tests. You can able to also use bubbling here. Then you can check your question paper later onwards. So these 100 tests is covered almost 1,000 bits. That means 1,000 models. So this is the mathematics. And now English also same. It's also containing almost 250 pages like that. So it's verified by one of the doctor. So that means doctorate in English. That means Mr. M. Papi Naidu. So the entire syllabus is also covered as per the notification. So you can able to see the how is the descriptive, and how is the MCQs are given in the end of the lesson. And they in this material also you can get almost 100 daily tests. There are you can able to see. I'm showing. You can This is the daily test starting. There are 100 daily tests. These 100 daily tests covers almost 1,000 models of questions. So, that means every test, that means concept wise. You can see adjective test one, adjective test two, adverb test one, adverb test two, like that. 100 daily tests, each and every concept, by covering each and every concept, as well as this is the intelligence material. There also we covered number of topics, and you can able to see the material design, how it is, and examples, and whatever it is we are providing. The material is completely customizable, but no book is covered this content, because it takes almost 6 months of the entire team for preparation of this entire books. So that in this material also you can get the 100 like daily tests. I am showing right now. So just a minute. From here to there are 100 daily tests. daily tests are there. So these daily tests are very useful for the Sainik School aspirants, especially for class 6. In the GK, in GK material is likely to 350 pages. Each and every concept is explained properly. It's also that means edited by one of the experienced faculty, and each and every book is also verified by experienced faculties. That is the main thing. First, there are it's covered almost 38 topics according to the syllabus. So each and every concept is designed according to the syllabus, and it is very useful information for especially for class 6 students. In this material, no one can give this such, and that means this lot of information. So if you want for this information, so you can contact the following number in the description. So the entire study material consists only almost 240 pages, 230 pages, like 225 pages descriptive material. So in this general alerts, there is additional book that it covers 100 daily tests. That is the main thing. It's also covers every material, that means every subject having 100 daily tests. So that is the main advantage of this material. Almost 4 subjects and 400 daily tests are getting in this material. So if you want that material, you can just contact the following number.